Okay, so here's a web application, but this is a progressive web app, so we can resize it into a phone ratio. So let's do that. So here we go, it's just a basic 16:9 ratio. Now our database holds our information for usernames, so if we have an empty name, that's not going to show up in our database, but we can do dpetrov, that is something in our database, and we can create a new meetup with that user, and it pulls his name from the database, Dan Petrov, and now let's put in a price. As you see, it only lets in actual numbers, so let's do $74, and the meetup date, let's do today, the 25th, and then the time, it's unfortunately 2:04 a.m. So let's just put 2:15 a.m. And now let's pick a location. So with the Radar IO API, we can search for autocomplete locations. So let's do 279. It pulls up a bunch of locations under that. How would we do Walmart or Walma, and it'll still pull up everything. So Sheridan Drive is actually the Walmart location that's closest to me. So let's click that location, as we can actually pull it up over here as well and see the latitude longitude of the Walmarts. Okay, Dan, can you accept the request? So once he accepts it, it'll send a notification to the server, and then once I query the server again, it'll pull up that he accepted it and show over here. Now, if I click meet up, I won't be able to actually go to Walmart, but what I can do is open up the sensors and change my location manually to show Walmart. So let's meet up with him, and you see I'm 1.5 miles away, and it pulls that location one more time. Now let's override to Walmart, and it should change soon once the server pulls and calculates the distance again. And as you can see, we've arrived. Now that we've arrived, we have access to the emergency and completed buttons. What the emergency button does is if you pre-configure contacts in your profile up in the top right, if you don't finish your meetup within a certain allotted time that you specify, it'll contact those emergency contacts, or you can force emergency by clicking the emergency button. Otherwise, you can just complete this meetup and payment will be tendered to the seller, which is us. So this application will collect the payment and then disperse it once the meetup has gone smoothly and is completed. And then this app will make money by collecting a small payment through that service. But that's the application. And we can improve this application by doing constant polling, but we don't have access to the paid version of Radar IO. But that's one application that we can do to improve